Oh, yes. Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can now. Yes. Good morning. And the
Good morning.
defendant, Eric Jacobs.
He's on Zoom as well, Your Honor.
All right. Mr.
Yes,
Jacob.
Your Honor. Eric Jacobs here.
All right. Thank you. So the court's now going to call State of Arizona versus Eric Jacobs, case number EM 2026-000013. For the record, defendant just identified himself on Zoom. And counsel, would you identify yourself for the record?
Sorry, Your Honor. Yeah, Scott Ruffner for the defense.
All right, so this is for a change of plea. And so, Attorney Ruffner, I am just covering for Judge Dyer this morning. So I'm going through all these, and I'll just go through that. And if I miss anything, just let me know, all right?
Very well, Your Honor.
All right, so. Was there a plea agreement in here? Was there a plea agreement?
Well, there ought to be one in that Rule 17 stuff, Your Honor.
Okay. I think I just found it. Hold on. So I just wanted to see what I'm. All right, so Mr. Jacobs, you are you agreed to plead guilty to assault, a class 1 misdemeanor in violation of ARS 13-1203A1. And I believe that's the only one you are pleading to. And you agree that you shall pay the fine of $500 plus surcharges, shall complete anger management class, court shall assess a public defender's fee if appropriate, and all of the terms at court's discretion. Is that to your understanding, Mr. Jacobs?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So you've gone over all of this. So this is a telephonic change of plea where you've gone over everything. So court's going to just go over, I just want to make sure you understand, go over your constitutional rights that you give up by pleading guilty. You give up the right to plead not guilty and require the state to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to a trial by jury. You give up the right to the assistance of an attorney at all stages of the proceedings, and including appeal in some cases. You understand that you might be eligible for a court-appointed attorney at a reduced cost or no cost if you cannot afford one. You give up the right to confront witnesses against you and to cross-examine them as to the truthfulness of their testimony. You give up the right to present evidence on your own behalf and to have the court compel witnesses of your own choosing to appear and testify free of charge. You give up the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself and to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And you give up the right to a direct appeal. You also notice you have the notice of rights of review after conviction where you have 90 days from today's date if you feel like there's been an error in the judgment. So per the plea agreement, on count 1, the sentence is to pay a fine of $500. And shall complete an anger management class. And also you pay a $275 public defender fee. That will, I will just keep to what's in the plea agreement and, do you have anything, Mr. Jacobs? Do you understand what your sentence is?
I do understand, Your Honor.
All right. All right, so, Attorney Ruffner, anything?
Oh, no, Your Honor, we just asked for follow the terms of the agreement as you have. No further jail and probation if required, unsupervised. And I don't know, I'm certain my client might need time to pay the fines and fees. And of course, he needs little time to complete the counseling for anger management. And that would be it, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so the court did stick with, Attorney Ruffner did stick with the plea agreement. Defendant was sentenced to $500, $275 public defender fee. Time payments are okay. Mr. Jacobs, how much can you make a month on your payments?
I can pay the balance in 30 days, Your Honor.
Okay. So, so you still, if you don't pay it today, there's still gonna be a $20 payment fee.
Okay.
So I'll just put your payments at $100 and then you pay it in full and then it'll be done. But if
Okay.
you don't pay in full, then you make sure you have that $100.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
And then anger management classes. I've already started with an authorized Arizona since I am out of state. Is there something any more specific information as far as the amount of hours or?
I'm not, you'll get that paperwork and then you'll sign up for that and they'll, because you haven't, I don't, what class are you going to?
It's an online class that I'm 6 hours into through Arizona court anger
Okay.
management. But
Okay.
if there needs to be a different one, I just need that information.
Okay. That I can't answer, so I won't be able to tell you that. All right, so with that having been said, that's going to if you have any questions, Mr. Jacob, before we complete the matter?
That was
you
my
un-
only question is I haven't been given any paperwork. I'm out of state, so I won't be able
That
to
will-
come
Yeah.
to Arizona for a physical
will-
class.
Yes, that will be sent to you.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you.
the court has a document with counseling places on it. And probably yours is okay as long as they're state licensed.
Right.
So then you'll probably be all set.
Thank you, Ruffner.
No
Yeah,
problem.
it sounded like it. All right, Attorney Ruffner, anything from you before we complete the matter here this morning?
Oh, no, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So Mr. Jacobs, you are excused, and Attorney Ruffner, you as well. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you,
Your
Your Honor.
Honor.